educators, digital pattern design and production is becoming more and more important nowadays. Digital patterns are used in many different sectors and facilitate the design process. Digital patterns can speed up design processes and reduce costs. Therefore, digital pattern design is of great importance in today's competitive business world. For designers who want to work in this field, topics such as basic concepts of digital patterns designs, tools, composition, principles, perspective, light and shadow, scale, typography, illustration techniques, and production process are very important. We can examine the digital pattern design and production unit under two titles. Our first topic is Introduction to Computer-Aided Design for Fashion and 3D Technologies. In this section, we will explain how to use the applications program and how to make patterns. The next step is tools to create precise digital patterns to minimize fabric waste. Minimizing fabric waste is of great environmental and economic importance. These reasons are environmental impacts, economic benefits, social and ethical dimension. Common CAD software used in fashion design are listed as follows: Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Illustrator is a vector-based design program used in many areas of fashion design such as digital sketches, seamless drawings, and pattern creation. Fashion designers use Illustrator to digitally create their sketches and design patterns. Adobe Photoshop is a program for editing sketches. Fashion designers use Photoshop for designing digital presentations such as pattern creation and transferring the pattern onto fabric. To transfer the pattern onto the photo, layers and masks, brushes and texture effects, high resolution and precision, filters and effects tools are used. How to do surface editing in applications? It refers to the process of combining fabrics, textures, patterns and colors in a certain order. Surface arrangement plays an important role in creating the overall mood, texture and perception of a garment or collection, determining the visual aesthetics of the design. This process requires not only the designers to utilize their artistic perspective, but also their technical knowledge. To minimize fabric waste, you can use Adobe Series, CLEO, 3D and Browseware, Optitex and Gerber AccuMark, NetGraphics and TextPro. What to do to minimize fabric waste in applications used? There are various methods and strategies to be considered in the practices used to minimize fabric waste. Using digital technology and software, improving mold and cutting techniques, optimizing production processes, recycling waste fabrics, education and awareness raising.